Best nostalgic games to play. Street Fighter. Showcase your combat skills with powerful combos and moves. Street Fighter is a legendary fighting game series by Capcom, known for iconic characters like Ryu, Ken, and Chun-Li. King of Fighters, KOF, is a popular fighting game series first released in 1994. Known for its team-based battles, players choose a team of 3 characters to face off in fast-paced, strategic combat. Metal Slug is a classic 1996 run-and-gun arcade game, famed for its pixel art, chaotic action, and co-op gameplay. Players fight enemies, rescue hostages, and pilot the iconic Metal Slug tank. Tetris is a timeless puzzle game created in 1984. Players arrange falling blocks to form complete lines, which then disappear. Marvel Super Heroes is a classic fighting game created in 1995, featuring iconic Marvel characters like Spider-Man, Wolverine, Iron Man, and Thanos. Contra is a nostalgic classic celebrated for its fast-paced combat and iconic pixel art. Nightmare in the Dark is a 2000 arcade platformer where players, as a gravedigger, fight ghosts with fireballs. Known for its spooky theme, pixel art, and fun gameplay, it's a retro cult favorite. Cadillacs and Dinosaurs is a classic 1993 arcade. Players fight enemies and dinosaurs in a post-apocalyptic world, using fists, weapons, and vehicles. Known for its co-op action and vibrant visuals, it's a beloved retro gaming gem.